What's going on today, guys? This is Justin with the Digital Life, and if you're new here, Digital Life is here to give you guys reviews and help you make the best decision on technology before spending the money. So giving you reviews and thoughts to help you make the best decision. Today, we have a unboxing and first look of the brand new, super exciting iPhone 13 Pro. The reason why this is the most exciting one for me so far is that I'm really excited to see the refresh rate on this device, as well as the cinematic mode and some other new features. We have this Sierra Blue that just was released with this new release. The Sierra Blue is a brand new, of all the colors, there's still gold, silver, and the graphite, but this is actually going to be the brand new release, and it is a lighter blue. I would kind of say it's like a sky blue in my opinion. But anyways, guys, I got the 128 gigabit. This is the Pro version, so you are going to get the Pro cameras, the refresh rate, like I said, the extended battery life, and some of the other features that come with the phone. So I'm really excited for that, and let's get into the unboxing, guys. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to notice about the actual phone box is that there's actually no plastic packaging around the box anymore, which I guess they're doing for a economic, environmental sake, which, you know, I kind of appreciate, but I would say now it looks like there's these little things that you have to rip off, and we got what's included. So anyways, guys, let's get into kind of the magic here, because I know you guys are here not to hear my voice or anything like that, but let's see what we got under the hood here. So there it is in all of its pride and glory, the 13 Pro. The first thing that's going to stand out, guys, is that these camera bumps look a little bit bigger, and when I say a little bit, I mean it's fairly obvious that that looks kind of huge. So the first thing I'm going to say is it definitely looks a little bit bigger on the cameras, which is expected. We opened it up and we got the little white, white paper here to let us know that the phone is brand new, which is good. And then we also got the white paper here to, which is kind of the usual. So anyways, guys, let's put that aside for a second. Let's see what we got in the box. And then per usual, we got the cable that is the USB Type-C for fast charging, which makes a lot of sense. That's what Apple is going towards. And then we got the stickers and the paperwork. So nothing is different really, guys, except for the fact that it is a new phone, things like that. So this looks really good. I like this blue. I would say it is definitely like a sky blue. It is elegant. I like it. The stainless steel around the sides. Definitely got some weight to it as well, and not really anything different than the last year's model. More just, it definitely feels like a Pro model versus like the standard 13 regular or the 12 regular. So anyways, guys, let's power on the screen and let's see if this refresh rate bounces, kind of stands out to us as far as that goes. So let's give it a few minutes here. Got the new processor in there, so let's see if it actually... Let's see if we can get it to really kind of shine. And we got a hello there. So that's pretty cool. And then, guys, I will include in the description the case that I bought for this. The screen protectors that I bought for this phone. I actually use the Alien. I don't know what the heck this is called, really, how to pronounce this. But these are the screen protectors I use. These are actually really good screen protectors. I've used these before in the past, but they're going to run you about $13 on Amazon. But I will put that in the description if you guys want to go take a look at those. So let's see what we got here. So first, yeah, so this is fairly obvious, guys, that the refresh rate just kind of bounces out. So I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but the initial thoughts are that really right when you tap anything, I mean, it's just beautiful. So as you can see, it just immediately like is just super smooth. Wow. So we can see that the screen, this new phone actually has a better brightness. It goes up to 1,000 nits. And then this is going to have the up to 120 refresh rate depending on what you're doing. Which it already definitely looks smooth. We got pretty much a full battery. So guys, that is the 13 Pro. I will be doing a review and kind of a, this is just a first look at the phone, initial thoughts, things like that. The camera bump definitely looks a little bit bigger. So I guess that is due to the cinematic mode and the camera improvements. So that's pretty cool. The Sierra Blue is, I would say, nice and fresh looking. I mean, it definitely is a new color, so that's kind of cool. And I definitely would say it's something to consider. So anyways, guys, that is the unboxing of the 13 Pro.